very last sound from standard consonant, well, if I say it's the very last sound of IPA, it's also accurate. The sound is yi. Middle of your tongue will move toward your palate. Yi. Yi. Well, if you understand this sound, article will be very easy for you, because while we have learned the rules, when you will get a noun, before that you need to use an article, and if you find that the noun is pronouncing like you, it will consider as consonant. But the thing is, it's not pronouncing as you. The first sound is yi, and yi is a consonant sound. That's why you have to put an A instead of N. Some examples are yield, university, union, unit. Thank you.